10 possible reasons for weaker bones. 1. Lack of calcium. Calcium is essential for building strong bones, and a lack of calcium in the diet can lead to weaker bones over time. 2. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, so a deficiency in this vitamin can lead to weaker bones. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity and exercise can lead to weaker bones, as bones need to be subjected to stress in order to grow stronger. 4. Smoking. Smoking has been linked to weaker bones, as it can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium and other nutrients necessary for bone health. 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy drinking has been shown to decrease bone density and increase the risk of fractures. 6. Certain medications. Certain medications, such as corticosteroids and anticonvulsants, can weaken bones over time. 7. Genetics. Some people may be genetically predisposed to weaker bones, making them more susceptible to fractures and breaks. 8. Hormonal changes. Changes in hormone levels, such as those that occur during menopause, can lead to weaker bones. 9. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as osteoporosis and hyperthyroidism, can lead to weaker bones over time. 10. Aging. As we age, our bones naturally become weaker and lose density, making them more prone to fractures and breaks.